In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Xero to Power BI. Start on your Xero dashboard and locate the dot grid icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the dot grid icon to open the menu. From the menu, navigate to the Xero App Store option and select it. This will take you to the Xero App Marketplace. Once you're in the App Store, locate the search bar and type Power BI. Then press Enter to search. You'll see a list of applications that can be used to connect Xero data with Power BI. Review the available applications and scroll through the list to find an option that fits the connection you need. When you find an app you're interested in, click on it to open its details. Review the available information, including the app's features, compatibility specifications, and user reviews if they are available. Once you've selected the app you want to use, look for the Get This App button and click on it. The next part of the process can vary depending on the application you've selected. Follow the instructions and on-screen prompts provided by the app to establish the connection between Xero and Power BI. Continue through the prompts to complete the connection process. Follow the instructions provided by the selected app for authorizing access and setting up the required data exchange. Once you've completed the instructions provided by the app, the connection between Xero and Power BI will be set up. And that's the process for connecting Xero to Power BI. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you.